If I understood all that stuff, all the electronics, I probably wouldn't have time to fly.
Well, I figured you would be the one that, but all of us, you might understand. You're ruining the computers.
Yeah, well, that's a lot different. It's a lot simpler. I don't like soldering. I can solder, but I don't like it. I actually enjoy it while I'm doing it, but...
I know somebody's good at it, though. Yeah, maybe you just think he's good. I hope he is.
I know it's all about temperature.
Yeah.
It would help.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
That's the first full speed I've ran this. It's got a nice speed. It won't be fast enough for some people. There's another full speed pass. It's the first time I've ever flown at full speed. Full up. Wow. 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 Still going up. Still full speed. Having a hard time keeping it going straight. Wow. It's hard to see there in those clouds. Let's get it down.
Time and stop.
Power's off. Just letting it glide. Stay out of the way of the Cessna. Still power off. And power on.
Time and stop. Time and start. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Sounds behind me. Yep. Let's take it. We're on like an island here in the field. So we land the FPV planes in the grass back there. And they're flying FPV.
Oh, there's our little guy.
Man, flying pretty far away.
Time to stop.
But I'm sharing the friendly skies.
Time to start.
Let's get
Time
some touches
remaining
in.
5 minutes.
I'm gonna get a touch in, Dave.
Landing flaps. Time to stop.
Stay out of the island with bent wings.
Time to start. Time to stop. Time to start.
Abort! 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 Abort!
Cruise mode.
Abort! 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 Try it again.
Landing flaps. Time to stop.
Man, it just keeps speeding up. There we go. Right before the crack. Oh, after the crack. Forget how fast this thing
Time remaining
keeps
4
flying,
minutes.
man. better. It just looks deceptive.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 3 minutes.
I'm turning down in on final, Jeff.
Okay. I'll stay on the other half of the island of bent wings.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Sounded nice.
Wow. Nice.
Like the full size, buddy.
5
Need air traffic control, ground control, ground control.
Time remaining 1 minute.
1 minute. Which way are you taking off, Bruce?
Right to left.
Oh, you're going. Oh, you're going now. You're going with the wind. No, into the wind. I'm sorry. I'm joking. I'll get out of your way.
Don't confuse.
I'm out of your way. I'm out of your way.
That was a short field takeoff.
Timer
Well, I'm
stop.
trying to get for that damn bump.
Yeah, I hear you.
Start.
Concentrate on that too.
30 seconds.
Whew.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. No.
10, 9, 8,
Take off.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Rick fixing to fly that up.
Time expired.
GB?
Yeah.
Man, I don't know. I think he put it back in the hauler. I was kind of. Eh.
Bringing out the show?
Stop. Timer stop.
Bring it out where I don't know.
Timer stop.
Was
Timer
it a new
start.
one?
No, it's mine. I gave it to him
Oh.
because he likes GBs. I guess a friend wouldn't give a friend a GB coming in for a landing.
Timer stop. Timer stop.
Not one of my favorites.
I love looking at it. It flies all right, but ooh, man, it tanked that landing.
Cruise mode. Timer start. Timer stop.
What do I got? 30 seconds. I got it. I has to go up and try it again.
Start. Timer stop.
Okie dokie.
Didn't the Glanvilles build it for his brother to race it? Yeah, see what I'm talking about?
Timer start.
That's something you do for your brother. Here, fly a GB. Alright. Holy cow, where am I going?
Timer stop. Timer
That ain't gonna work.
1 minute over.
1 minute over. Coming in. Situation critical on power. There we go.
Timer stop.
Much better turn.
Landing flaps.
Much better. Much better. Much better.
Yeah, I just had, all I did was take it home and bring it back.
Alright, there you go.